We're here at day 3 of our manufacturing week, so we'll have over about 350 students here coming from about 14 different high schools.
So let's see what sensor this one hits.
Manufacturing Week is part of a national celebration created by the Manufacturing Institute to really celebrate the industry. And the way that we do that here in Southern Indiana is by bringing together all the high schools to meet and interact and learn about the industry.
First thing it does, it checks height.
We'll expose them to about 20 different manufacturing employers, make those connections, and hopefully that results in internships, apprenticeships, future job opportunities, or maybe just an increased interest in the industry.
Go ahead and move one out, reload it, and watch what happens.
I think the exciting thing that I've seen is the students being able to get their hands on the equipment and engage one-on-one with professions that have been doing this work has really, I think, increased the appetite and the interest for the industry.
Because if I have something too tall, I can jam up my production.
The companies that are participating here today recognize that operational sustainability and their success is not just about today, it's really about tomorrow and the future. So engaging with these high schools, investing in the work of the Metro Manufacturing Alliance and Manufacturing Day really puts them in a prime position to capitalize on all of the great talent that we have coming out of our high schools.
It doesn't know that it's clear or that it's white. All it knows is it's not metal, didn't absorb light, kick it to the end.
These companies that are working in advanced manufacturing have production engineers, but they also have business services. So from HR to marketing to sales. So there are robust, multifaceted opportunities within the industry, and I think students are getting a better understanding of that.